how you can get shadow in CapCut PC. So select a video you want to edit and then just copy paste. Select the overlay and then just going to cut out, select auto cut out and just going to mirror and then rotate like so. Just for the position like so, and then just going to basic, select mode plane, just click darken and then just going to adjustment, so adjust for the color themes like so. For the brightness, contrast, highlight, shadow, illumination, and just going to video model plane, so select adjust the opacity like so. So here we go, this shadow you can get from CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.